welcome back to my channel. Today's video is very interesting because today I'm going to show you how to make smoky eyes with some really affordable products. Basically, I will be using two products which retails at rupees 65. Can you imagine? So just stay tuned and watch till the end. So guys, to make this smoky eyes, I will be requiring two eye pencils. This is Bae Kohl eye pencil which retails at rupees 65. It is a newly launched product in purple.com, and this is Miss Claire's Glimmerstick which is also retailing at rupees 65, and you will get this on Nykaa. As I have told you that with rupees 65, smoky eyes can be created. You can see also, I don't know whether you are liking it or not, but I really like it because with this light makeup, I can just go out in the daytime, even in the night time. It is really cool. And now I just want to add on little bit. I will be using Voste's mascara. You can use your own mascara, whatever you have. So yes. When you add mascara, your eyes look much more amazing. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. With rupees 65, smoky eyes really can be created, and I have add-on mascara and the curler, eyelash curler. If you want, you can just avoid it. Anyways, if you have liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do share it with your friends and family. And until my next video comes, loads of love. Tata, take care, bye bye.